Understanding sleep apps.
Sleep apps are designed to help you monitor your sleep patterns and make positive changes. They use your phone's sensors or wearables to track your sleep quality, duration, and cycles. With the right app, you can not only observe your nightly habits, but also set specific, achievable goals to improve your overall sleep health and well-being.
Setting personalized sleep goals.
Most sleep apps allow you to create custom goals tailored to your needs. You might aim to increase your nightly sleep hours, set a consistent bedtime, or reduce nightly wake-ups. Start by identifying your biggest sleep challenges. In the app, find the goal setting section, then choose or set targets that work best for your lifestyle and health priorities.
Tracking your progress over time.
After setting goals, your app will monitor your sleep and show patterns over days, weeks, or months. Check the app's dashboard or history feature. Look for trends, such as improvements in sleep duration or consistency. Many apps offer visual timelines, charts, or weekly summaries, making it easy to see progress and stay motivated.
Using reminders and insights.
Reminders and personalized insights are powerful tools in sleep apps. Enable bedtime reminders or gentle alarms to maintain healthy routines. Pay attention to app tips that address factors like screen time before bed or caffeine intake. By reflecting on insights provided, you can adjust habits and continue moving closer to your sleep goals.
Maximizing your sleep app experience.
For best results, keep your app updated and review your data regularly. Sync your app with other health tools if possible, and consider sharing progress with a healthcare provider if you have ongoing issues. Combining consistent tracking, tailored goals, and small lifestyle changes can lead to noticeable improvements in sleep quality over time.